Mosny wrote, a post in LinkedIn, what is the best topic to write about? Or anything in general. Whatever you post about, like I want you to become a thought leader, and this goes to everybody out there. If the way to become a thought leader and get the media to reach out to you for free PR and interviews and stuff is to think like a thought leader. You know, it's like the Rodin sculpture, I think, therefore I am. And so if you post, just be consistent. Like what I did was I posted once a week on LinkedIn an article, just business stuff. And I did it for 2 years. So after 2 years, I had 100 articles. And then what I did was I repurposed all that content into a book called 101 Crucial Lessons they don't teach you in business school. I just repurposed it. And then I repurposed each one of the articles into a vlog. But I would just be consistent. Whatever social media platform you're on, be consistent. So if you're going to vlog once a week at the exact same time. So your customers, your followers know exactly when you're going to post it. Kind of like I do this. This is the 186th week I've done this weekly call. Just be consistent always, yeah. And if you build it, they will come. And don't worry if nobody is watching your videos or liking your LinkedIn post, whatever. It doesn't matter. You shouldn't care. You just got to be consistent. Because at first, I promise you, it's going to feel like you're screaming into the wind. You're like, oh my God, nobody's paying attention. Why am I wasting my time doing this? You're not. You know, Rome wasn't built in a day. Just keep at it, because I promise you your competition will give up. Yeah. And YouTube is the only gold rush in history where it costs you nothing to make the product. And YouTube is also the only gold rush in history where you can get access to 1 billion potential customers for free. And I think we're all going to look back upon this era in time and say, God, I wish I made more YouTube content. Because every YouTube video you make is like a little coffee shop. It's a little franchise that pays dividends. And it's fun helping people too. And that's what you got to do first and foremost. You got to think, how can I help people? How can I help people? Always, yeah. Give and you'll receive. It's prophetic. It's been true since the beginning of time.